Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine. I go by Miss Sharmzy on YouTube and Sharmzy on Instagram. I have some new wigs I ordered from Amazon. I have not even tried on yet, and they are affordable, so we'll try them on together. I like to go for wigs that are no fuss. When it comes to like the lace and the glue and all that stuff, I would just prefer not to go down that avenue. It's not my specialty. I like a stress-free wig. So something I could just plop on, almost like a hat. I'm gonna try them on and I would love your feedback. Let me know what you like and I'll leave everything down below for you. Okay, clearly it's giving me Mrs. Claus. We're not gonna keep it like this. So what I'm going to do is, unravel some of the perfect curls a bit to make it look a little bit more natural. Right now it's giving me that whole dull hair feeling that I'm not trying to go for. This might suit some other people just like this. I just don't think it suits me like this. So let's kind of get a little bit of frizz happening so it's a little bit more natural looking. Off the bat though, I'm not sure that this color suits me. It's a little cool tone and I don't personally think cool tones suit me the best. Don't even really suit my personality. But hey, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. So as you can see, this is already starting to look a little bit more natural just by lightly touching and playing with the curls a little bit. It's also giving a little bit more length, so now I'll follow up with the other side. So I do feel like this is a really fun wig to have if you want to switch up your look. I don't think it suits me personally, especially not this color. And of course my eyebrows are bleached now, so this is not matching that well. But I do want to show you because for a synthetic wig that is affordable, I think this is a nice wig. Look at the density. The density, the curls, the actual tones are quite beautiful. Now right off the bat, it needs to be shaken a little bit because it was in a net. But this looks incredibly natural. And it looks like really great quality. On now, I will say that the top was a bit flattened, I guess from, shipping. So I went like this with my fingers and just lifted up. I do not want to do too much touching because I don't want to stretch out the curls too much that they end up too long. Okay, so without being totally weird, I'm just going to take this off because it's actually making me really hot with the hair. And that's pretty much it. So 1 second. I feel better. I think having it a little bit back further maybe might suit me a bit more. I'm not 100%. I'm still kind of playing with it. I like that it's not too perfect because it does look more realistic like that. And overall, I'm actually really impressed for an Amazon affordable wig. What do you guys think? The color is really nice. So overall, I think it's a great wig. I don't know if I love it for me personally. I'm gonna have to watch myself back on the video after to decide, but really great wig. Here is the last one from Amazon. It's obviously within my, ooh! Oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, so I know I have to separate the curls because they're a little too perfect. Again, giving you a little bit like of a doll vibe. But guys, I don't think I want to separate it right now because I need to think about it first. What do you guys think? The color is amazing. What? But obviously the curls look a little too perfect, I'm assuming, right? Yeah, I feel like maybe I just need to wear it and let it frizz up naturally a little bit without actually going in and touching it myself. Give me your feedback. What do you think I need to do with this? I don't want to ruin it too much. So the next two, they are actually the ones that I wear the most. The first one I'm going to show you is a straight wig, and it's from the brand called Insert Name Here. You'll see them on Instagram a lot. I think saw an Instagram ad and then, just went for it because it has bangs, which I love because then I don't have to deal with the whole part and all that stuff, and the lace and everything. I can just throw it on easily. And in the winter, I love to wear berets with it. So I will just throw a beret on top of this, and that's a look. Little hats like this and stuff. Yeah, it's just a nice option for the winter time. It's a beautiful brown color, like a medium brown color, and then some layers and a little bit of like a curl at the bottom. Under $100. I will put the exact one down below. I can't remember the exact price at the moment, but it is, I'm almost positive it was over $50. And normally I wouldn't spend that much, but I know that this is a wig that I would wear a lot, and I have been wearing a lot. So I'm willing to spend a little bit more for that. And the quality has been amazing. I haven't had a lot of shedding or anything like that. So this is the last one. This is my favorite. I wear this one the most. I have a whole video dedicated to this wig. It is under $50. I will link this video below. It comes in different colors. Now I just plopped it on. You can do it kind of like a side part or middle part, whatever. Half the time I just like throw it on and don't care too much because I use it a lot for videos and for photo shoots as well. And I can do a hat with it too. It does fit a hat on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do let me know your favorites below. It's been a long time since I've done a wig video, so I thought it'd be fun to kick off this series doing something that I used to do a fair bit on this channel. Make sure you subscribe. I will see you guys on Sunday for a style video. Also, if you are on TikTok, I made a TikTok. So here's my TikTok with all my wigs, and you can find me at Miss Sharmsy on there as well. Thanks so much for watching. Keep safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.